গিয়ার যে কোনটা লাগছে অ্যাকচুয়ালি বুঝতে পারছি না। গিয়ার ফিয়ার বুঝতে পারি না তো কোনটা লাগছে। গিয়ার যে কোনটা লাগছে অ্যাকচুয়ালি বুঝতে পারছি না, একটু অন্যরকম আমার গাড়ির থেকে।
These are externally adjustable ORVM, so it is inconvenient because in my car there is internally adjustable ones. This Hyundai Ion has run 18,000
আচ্ছা,
kilometers, and the gear shifting is tricky for me because it seems older.
কিছু হবে না। কোন দিকে, এইদিকে না এইদিকে?
The brake pedal and accelerator pedals are different. The accelerator pedal is little high up, so your right leg will strain, and the brake pedal is too light, and just pressing the brake pedal makes the car stop then and there. I am not much familiar with this route. I have driven in this road, but a few times while I was learning to drive. This is the rail gate number one in Dom cantonment area, because this is the southmost rail gate.
The steering recenters, there is recentering, so it's better than my car.
In my car, there is no recentering because
Steering is
probably
light actually.
my car has not been driven that much as this car has been. It was crowded at this place, and here there was a Maruti Suzuki Baleno that was not going. It was having space, probably it was going to stop at this place. 1 minute later. This is the first time I am driving Hyundai Eon car of my friend, and he has to take this car to his near his home because he has to. This car has to go somewhere. I stopped here a bit for my friend to move forward since I have to follow him. It is quite easy to drive through these roads. Still, another car doesn't come from the opposite side, and I like driving through these small roads as it is in the morning. There is less congestion. If you move left from this area, then you will get the fruit market of Gora Bazar. I remembered this bump, a kind of weird kind of speed breaker here. I have been through this road. Initially, I was able to indicate in this car. The indicators were working initially, but since I had turned on the uh, parking lights, the parking indicator lights, dual indicator, after that the indicators are not working. Auto was coming from behind, and I had to indicate a right indicator because I was to take the right turn, but I was not able to do so. If I just take the turn and see left, look at the left side, then there is a shopping mall, City Life.
The indicators are not working, I don't know why. It can be a dangerous thing if
The parking lights are working, though the indicators individually are not working. This place is Damodam municipality. Here, quite often, I get a place to park the car. At this point, just if you look forward, there is Domino's Pizza and Pantaloon. I could have come through this road from the left, but I was actually following my friend and he unnecessarily traveled extra distance. From here, if you go straight, there is the Domdom Cantonment Railway Station and also the metro station, whose construction is over, but the service is not started yet. I reached the place where the car needs to be parked. His house is near my friend's house. See you soon in the next video and keep watching the channel and subscribe if you have not. Coming very soon with the next video.